Hi agents, let's talk about some laws that have changed that I think you need to be aware of. May not have read about them in Texas Realtors magazine, or you may not have been in tune with seeing other things coming across your email, so I'm going to try and cover those for you of what happened during this legislative session. One item that you need to know about that is currently been changed and should be as of the 1st of September 2023 was gas piping information on the seller's disclosure notice. So make sure that you are using the most updated seller's disclosure notice, which went into effect on 1 September because it deals with gas piping. Make sure if you're getting an offer in that you're checking that they have used the most current seller's disclosure notice as well. Also, effective immediately was the revised notice that separately lists the property tax and property assessments against the property for greater clarity when it comes to MUD notices. Now, something that I want to let you know is that MUDs are required to start using the new format when providing notice, and we're required to post the notice on their website, and that was as June 18th of this year. So make sure that you get the form directly from the MUD, or you're looking on their website, or your seller is. And as a buyer's agent, make sure you are getting that notice if you know the house is in a MUD. And remember, MUD stands for Municipal Utility District. Now, the other thing that I wanted to share with you that is beginning January 1st of 2024, homeowners associations have to give notice on how they levy their fines. This is actually really good for all of your clients. Might be a good topic that you want to share with them about what their HOA should be doing, but they have to have a schedule of fines, and that has to be sent out to all the members in the homeowners association. A lot more transparency on that, and I think it'll be very helpful. If you guys haven't seen some of the other updates that we'll be voting on this fall, I'm going to encourage you all to make sure you get on the Texas Realtors site and check out those changes that deal with homestead and so forth, because that'll be some great information to actually pick up the phone and share. It's important to vote with your clients. Very important for all of us because it is a huge benefit when it comes to our property taxes. If we can ever answer any questions, I'm Missy Stegers, broker owner of M. Stegers Realty Partners, and we'd be glad to help you. You can give us a call, send us an email, or contact us through our website. Thank you so much.